They might just be quite.
Yeah, but go on.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Medina County, northeastern Frio County, northwestern Atascosa County, southwestern Bexar County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yancey, or 12 miles west of Divine, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Divine, Poteet, Castroville, Stinson Municipal Airport, Lytle, Somerset, Natalia, Lacoste, Moore, Newton, Pearson, Lemming, Lackland Air Force Base, Bigfoot, Byrie, Yancey, Sandy Oaks, Von Army, and Buena Vista. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
89962